Next section, socialization in hospital and rehabilitation of patient. Can you define socialization in hospitals? It is a process of learning in hospital. The healthcare professionals has been interact with each other to share the knowledge, save life and confirm the role in hospital. Persons involved in socialization. Following persons are interact with each other in hospitals and learn with each other. 1. Hospital administrators. 2. Hospital managers. 3. Doctors. 4. Nurses. 5. Allied health professionals and others, patient, family, etc. Pictorial representation. Administrators, managers, doctors, nurses, allied health professionals interrelated and interact with each other and provide the healthcare services. Factors of socialization process in hospital. First, imitation. Example, student nurses imitate like staff nurses. Act like others. Second, suggestion. Suggestion means provide directions, ask questions. Example, doctors and nurses. Doctors given directions for medicines, nurses given suggestions to doctors regarding vital signs, history of patients, etc. 3. Identification. Recognition, the client and diseases. 4. Language. Language is a important factor of socialization to connect with and communicate with each other in hospitals. Importance of socialization in hospital. First important, job satisfaction. Socialization promote happier work life in hospital. Second, good healthcare outcome, better care and excellent treatment by means of socialization. 3. Hospital management. The socialization helps to control the nursing services as well as medical and other healthcare services by means of better planning and organizing as well as directing. 4. Improving organizational climate. What do you think about organizational climate? Which means the social environment. A people how to feel about a particular organization. Good socialization help better feeling and better understanding between the organizational or hospital professionals, which make happier work life and which promote better outcome. 5. Reduce stress among healthcare professionals. Socialization helps to manage stress among healthcare professionals. 6. Effective communication. Socialization is very important in hospital to free flow communication between doctors, nurses, among doctors, among nurses, between departments, etc. 7. Satisfying client need. The socialization helps us to understand about client need, physical need, mental need, and their social needs. Hence, socialization is very important in the hospital for effectively execution of the healthcare services. Socialization in rehabilitation of patient. Can you define rehabilitation? It is a treatment or treatments designed to facilitate the process of recovery from injury, illness, or disease to as normal a condition as possible. Persons involved in rehabilitation: hospital administrators, doctors, nurses, allied health professionals, patients, client family, community, etc. Types of rehabilitation: physical rehabilitation, restore from physical illness; mental rehabilitation, restore from mental illness; social rehabilitation from social disabilities; occasional rehabilitation, developing skills. Factors of socialization process in rehabilitation setting. First, imitation means act like others. For example, junior nurses act like seniors. Second, suggestion, providing directions and suggestion and questions. 3. Identifications, identify the client. 4. Language based rehabilitation which help to promote better socialization. Importance of socialization in rehabilitation of patient. First important, socialization is important to restore from physical, mental, and social disabilities. Second, socialization is important to better care give to the patients, client-oriented care. 3. Socialization is very important for cure the diseases. Socialization is a medicine. It is a social medicine. Promotion of socialization help to treat various diseases. Treatment of physical illness as well as treatment of mental illness. Example, stress, blood pressure, etc. 4. Socialization is used to promote health, holistic health, physical health, mental health, and social well-being. 5. Socialization is use or very important to diagnosis of diseases. The measurement of socialization help us to identify the causes of diseases. 6. Socialization use to better counseling give to the patients, identify the client issues, and we can give better guidance, client oriented guidance. 7. Socialization used to reduce mortality and save the life, which means better outcome in rehabilitation settings. Thank you. Have a nice day.